Everyone, my name is Charan. My registered number is 015 This is my seventh Unix lab experiment. The aim is in order to display the contents of the existing file and create and write the contents into the file, append contents to our existing file, copy file contents from the source to fit into the destination file, copy file contents from source phase only from 10th byte to 100 byte to the destination file, rename the existing file. So the description is like this: we use open system call, create system call, close system call, read system call, write system call, and LC in order to create, in order to do this, perform this operation. In order to display the contents of the existing file, you give us a file descriptor and number, and then you give character C is 200, FT equal to open of Unix of SCS7 AEF.text. We need to only read the files which are there and display. So you give us O of read and read only. We have to create an separate text file before, and then printf the file descriptor is percentage d slash n of fd. Number you give it as number, read file descriptor count and 200, and then printf percentage slash n. And then we need not write the contents into the file. You what are the necessary hash include stdio.h, hash include f control, in number position rfd, character of array of 10 and the array of 1 is 10. Fd equal to create unix7b.text 076h. The file descriptor is percentage d slash n comma fd, printf enter the text slash n, scanf percentages of the array, and then num equal to write of file descriptor array size of array, printf percentage d slash n of num. Position is equal to lseek of fd comma 0 comma 0, r equal to read of fd of array of 1 size of array 1, while r is greater than 0 if array of position, and then r equal to r plus 1, printf percentage s slash n of array. The file descriptor is 3, enter the text if when you give, it displays the contents in the file. The contents which are present in the file is imagine 100. Append the contents to an existing file. Use all the necessary header files, that is stdf control, stdio, and stdlb. In fd1 you give what are all necessary things such as character of buffer of 10 and file 10, text 10. Enter file name, you enter the file name, and then you go directly into read and write. N1 equal to read of fd1 of buffer comma 10. Enter the text to be written slash fn. Scan of percentages of text, and lseek fd of 1 comma 0 comma 2. Write of fd of 1 comma text comma n1, read of fd of 1 comma buffer comma 1 comma 10, and close of fd of 1. Enter the file name, unix7c.text, and enter the text to be written. You write the text what is to be written. Copy the files from source to destination. That be given again assigned as fd of fd f1 and fd2, n1 and n2, because you require source file and destination file requires two file descriptors. Enter the file name for opening file. It will be percentage slash n, and then you write into fd of 1, you write into fd of 2. In fd of 1 you give read only, and in fd of 2 you give write only. We have to close fd1 and fd2, and then as you can see over here, we get the reading and writing as follows. Copy file content from source from 10 to 100 byte. Again we assign this in fd1 and fd2. Character of source of 20 and destination of 20. Printf enter the source file, scan of percentages of src, printf enter the destination, again dst. Fd1 equal to open src of read only, and then for the write you give o slash create of 064, and int number, character of buffer, int position equal to lseek, which is starting from 10, and then you get till 90. You close fd1, and then you close fd2. That gives the data, and then 50 also you do the similar thing. 50 bytes. As you can see over here, the only difference is fd of 50, and then you take of character f name as 15, and then print f, and then you take the scan of f name, and then read only file you give, and if 50 value equal to -1, printf it cannot open the file, and the character buffer of 20, int number equal to 0, int position equal to lseek of 50 of 50 of l comma 2, and then while num equal to read, fd and buffer size of buffer is greater than 0, write of 1 and buffer of num, close the file descriptor, read an existing file, hash include f control, hash include stdio, character source of 20, destination of 20, printf enter the source file, scanf percentages of src, printf enter the destination file, scanf we get the destination file address, link src of test unlink. This is in order to rename the existing file from link to unlink. That is all for today. Thank you.